Good morning, YouTube. Dr. Solar coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. So it's currently 8:20 a.m. on a very cloudy day. I'm currently producing 376 watts. My battery is at 34%. And guess what I want to do this morning? I'm going to use my air fryer. And when I'm done with the air fryer, I'm going to toast. So what do you think will happen when I'm doing that? Would the power go off? Would the BMS kick in? Well, I'm not going to do both at the same time. I'll do one. When I finish with the air fryer, then I'll do the toast. So the air fryer pulls about 1,500 watts. Right now I'm consuming 114 watts, and I'll come back and show you. So we'll have a deficit of about, let me see, we're putting 232 watts into the battery, so I have a deficit of about 1,100 to 1,200 watts, 1,100 to 1,200 watt deficit. My battery's at 34%. Can they support me running an air fryer at 8:21 in the morning with barely any sunshine? So that's my battery, that's the inverter. So let me go to the kitchen and then I'll show you what I'm making for breakfast. So that's part of what we're having for breakfast: sausages. And there's my air fryer, and there's my double barrel toaster, 4-slot toaster. So I'll do the air fryer first, and then when I'm done with the air fryer, I'm going to do the toast. So let me turn this off and then put it in and then show you it in action. So it is on now. You can hear the sound it's making. I have it set for 10 minutes. Okay, at 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Actually, that's more than 180, so 180 degrees. So let's go out to the inverter so you can see what is going on. So here we go. We're pulling 1,170 watts out of our batteries. We're consuming 1,400 watts. So here we go. 1,403 watts. We're pulling 1,177 watts out of our battery. Our battery is at 34%. One of the big things about lithium-ion batteries is the voltage doesn't drop as quickly or sag as quickly as, say, you would with a lead-acid battery. You could see it's dropping, but not as fast as you would see with a lead-acid battery. The percentage is not dropping, but the voltage is changing. So here we go. We're pulling our state of charge at 33%. We're pulling 24 amps out. So we'll keep watching, and I'll come back again in 10 minutes to show you if I still have power. So we've been going for about 8 or 9 minutes, and at 180 degrees, it's taking that long to heat up actually, but we've been going for 8 or 9 minutes, and let me go show you what my battery is doing. So batteries, so they are no red, no orange. The battery is at 32%, 48.2 volts. So it's settled. 48. Wow, look at that. Okay, so what happened now is it's heat temperature. It's around heat temperature, and the consumption has dropped. Amazing, amazing, amazing. See that? 48.6, still at 32%. I'm impressed. This battery impresses me. This battery is impressing. I guess lithium-ion battery just impressed me. And our production is pretty low, 324 watts still. It's just stuck at 324, it's not moving. At 324, 325. Yummy! Look at how beautiful the sausage looks. Man, the joy of solar and electricity. Beautiful, delicious looking sausages. You know, Dr. Solar now is going to become a chef. Anyway, I put it through the test. Let me take you to the battery so you see what's left in the batteries. And then you can make your comment as to what you think about lithium batteries. So after cooking for 15 minutes at about 1,400 watts, we took only 2% out of the batteries. The batteries were at, I think, 32 or 33%. And then it's now back to state of charge of 30%. Our battery voltage is 48.71, and now it's charging 182 watts. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to toast. So when I do the toast, it's going to pull, but for a much shorter period, it's going to pull about 1,200 to 1,400 watts, but for a much shorter period. So let me go plug the toaster in and then show you my little magic. That's what the inside of an air fryer looks like. So it's like a hidden ring as you see on a regular gas cooker. And then there is air. It pushes the air and then spins this plate to cook the food. Sorry for the lighting, but you get the idea. So the toaster is going. And we're going to go check and see. Let me see. How brown do I have it? Ooh, very too brown. Set it to 4. Yeah, too brown. Okay, this is good. It's crunchy at this. Here it's crunchy. So here is I have 4 in at the same time. So let's go to our inverter and see how much energy we're pulling out of the batteries. So here we go. Our battery is still at 30%. Our battery voltage now is 47.97. We're pulling 1,300 watts out of our batteries. Our consumption is 1,575. So that toaster does pull a lot of energy. 1,573, 1,575. So that toaster is pulling more energy than the air fryer is doing. Production has barely budged. It's now at 390 versus 340 something, 350, so increased by 40 watts. So this experiment can either screw me or make me feel good. It's not sunny today. There's no prediction of rain, so I'm hoping I'm not discharging the batteries too deeply and then there'll be no sun to recharge it. So that's it. So right now, pulling 1,332 watts out of my batteries. So end result, beautiful looking toast. I like my toast very brown. Well, this is a little burnt, but yes, I like my toast a little brown. So in summary, I wouldn't advise you to do what I did. I'm 100% off the grid. It's a cloudy day today. There is no forecast for rain, but this is Nigeria. Take it with a pinch of salt. I took approximately 5% out of my battery, so I'm back down. I'm at 28%. Right now it's charging. This is the lowest I've taken the Dyness battery to since we got it. I've never taken it below 45%, so this is the lowest I've taken it as a test. So I'm pretty psyched. I'm going to toast some more slices of bread and I'm done. So I'm excited. This was a big pass. The battery did a fantastic job. The inverter did an even better job because the inverter did, well, outside of the fan coming in a little bit, it did a fantastic job. So I'm pretty psyched. I like the results I'm getting from these batteries, and that's why I highly recommend them for my clients. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. If you're yet to subscribe, please click on the subscribe button. Once again, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you for watching.